Hey guys, it's Kia, and today we are going to be redoing an IKEA desk. I originally found it at Habitat for Humanity for $25. So let's get started. Right now, I'm literally just cleaning the glass top with some generic window cleaner. You don't need anything fancy, you just need the surface to be clean. I got this wood grain contact paper at Home Depot for like $8.97. And I was originally looking for the marble one, but they were out, so I grabbed this instead. And holy crap, I'm so glad because with the wood grain, it actually gives the desk like a presence in the room, and you really notice a huge difference. I would definitely recommend having someone with you when you do this though, because I know it looks like I'm moving fast, but I'm not. You can actually stop here if you want. It looks great, but I'm gonna keep going because I want some gold on my desk. So here we go. So now we're gonna get started on the first coat of spray paint, and I didn't show you just because I didn't finish. I didn't want to get too low to the ground on the desk because then gold paint would have gotten everywhere on the grass, and I didn't want that. So here I am with the desk flipped upside down, showing you how to move the can while you're spray painting. You always want it to be a light, even coat, and you always want the bottle to be moving. If it's not, then you get a lot of drips and it just doesn't look professional. It doesn't look good. It just looks awkward. And you use a lot less paint this way too. I only used half a can and it was great. So here's what the desk looks like after the second coat. Now we are going to work on the shelf. I found this 12 by 12 little block at AC Moore for about $4. It was $9.99, but I used that coupon because who doesn't love coupons? Right now I'm just going ahead and covering that. This one's so small you really don't even need the extra hands. You can just do it. But this is a temporary fix because it's a little bit too short and it's not flush with the shelf itself. So I have to go find something else to use, but it works for right now because my desk is really just to look pretty right now. So here's the shelf, and as you can see, it's not flush, but it looks good enough. It's crazy that I covered wood with wood grain contact paper, but oh well. Thanks so much for watching, guys.